Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to give you guys few informations regarding TextMe's update of 2024. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn everything regarding TextMe's update of 2024. After this update, I'm just going to inform you guys whether TextMe is a good application to use in the year 2024 or whether you must try the other alternatives and what are the other best alternatives which you can consider instead of the TextMe second phone number application. Well, for the people who do not know about the TextMe, well, TextMe is an application which provides you with a second phone number. Recently, their update was released on 26th March of 2024. Well, the date which I'm recording this video is going to be 11th April of 2024. I know I am a bit late, but still, just remember this is not an in-depth review of the TextMe's application. If you want an in-depth review, well, there is another video in my channel, and I'll leave that video's link in the description in the first comment. So please go take a look at it before quitting this video. Well, TextMe gives you with the new phone number to text and call. They say they provide low-cost international calls. You can transfer or turn your device into a phone. Well, these are the additional features such as local phone number. By local, I mean US and UK phone numbers. So first of all, to the people, TextMe is from TextMe Corporation. The update has been successfully completed, so I'm just going to open it and show to you guys in real time. In this update, primarily the bugs were fixed and few performance improvements were given. But primarily the bug which they have fixed is going to be a bug. I mean, it's not a bug, but what they're doing is that they're again complying with the US laws, which makes the people who are located outside the US and Canada, especially the people who are located in the Asian countries, unable to obtain their number. So this is an initiative taken by the US government to reduce the scams happening within the US. So after this update, it's going to be very hard for the people who are located outside the US and Canada. Even though TextMe is a pay-to-use application, well, it's still going to be hard for you. So the best thing which you can do is actually try to fix the bugs, or try to fix the errors, or moving on the other alternatives which still works in the year 2024. Well, the US government is actually tracking out and removing all the, targeting all the companies which provides us with free in virtual numbers, but still there are few applications which works. But there are a few things which you must import remember importantly in terms of features. That is going to be emergency calls are not supported if you are using any virtual numbers, no matter what. Free SMS offer is limited to US and Canada. Free texting to Latin America subject may to be balanced inbound outbound traffic per fair usage policy, and etc. So I'm just going to show you few important things. Right now, after the update, the app has become an useless application. Trust me, this app has become a completely pay-to-use application. They'll ask you for a minimal subscription when you actually go to the application. Well, you can just read the reviews if you want first-hand in-hand user experience. They would ask you to pay, let's say, $10. It's a minimum subscription, and even after paying, they give you only minimal credits. So I should say this TextMe application is clearly entirely a fraud application. Well, I know it's few harsh words, but still, do not use this application. And right now, after the update, there are literally no ways with which we can actually obtain a TextMe app free number. So please go try the other alternatives. So now if I'm just going to cover the important bugs and the best alternatives, well, there would be few bugs like human verification bug, that is when you make an account. So this is to check whether you're human, but you will be unable to complete the verification, and even if you complete, you'd be termed as a bot. And this is nothing but they are restricting access to the people who are located outside the US and Canada. Now let me try actually signing up. So this is the human verification page which I was talking about. As you can see, now I have a free account, but when I go to choose a phone number, the number is going to be, let's just choose Alabama as it was the first. Just choose a number, it's going to be paid. See, just take a look at the prices. You get a number for a week for 1300 rupees. It's just so costly. So if enough, now we are just going to talk about the other alternatives to the TextMe application. You can try using apps like Text Plus or Text Free. Well, those are the applications which still provides us with a free number. As you can see, I have a number over here. Well, if you want to learn more about the best alternatives to the TextMe application, or the best alternatives to the top virtual number applications, then there is a separate video too, so please go take a look at that video. So guys, I hope today's video was informative and helpful to you. If you did enjoy this video, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive more videos like this in the future. Once again, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.